Now these arms here, guys, for the harrow, that moves them up and down, right into the cargo. And I will get you a video of the screw. As you can see, the cargo coming down. That comes down. There's a giant screw down there like an auger that just turns and pushes it over to the gate over here. Now, if you like it, share me out, guys. Be greatly